पोर्चुगीज सार्डीन जे आसा ते आमी म्हणजे मातशे मध्यम आकाराचे सार्डीन्स आसूंक जाय किंवा ताल्ले आसूंक जाय. आणि
म्हणजे आता हो मध्यम आकाराचो असले असले लागतात
ताका वशीचे चालले
आणि असले चलना हे व्हडले चलना
हे बरे लागना
हे बरे लागना.
वशीचे ताल्ले आसा ते बरे
ह्या सायजीचे ताल्ले पोर्तुगीज सार्दीन करपाक आमी वापरपाचे.
आणि हे कितें करपाचे विशेष म्हणजे ताका प्रेशर कुकरान घालपाचे. कारण म्हणजे ताचो जो काटो आसता भितरलो तो सामको मऊ जावचो पडटा.
करेक्ट.
आणि तो जो काटो जेन्ना मऊ जाता आमच्यान ते सँडविचेस जेन्ना करतात तेन्ना पर्यंत आमच्यान भितर स्टफिंग म्हणून वापरूंक जाता. आता कशें करप, ताका भरपूर लसूण घालूंक जाय. आता गोंयांत आमी कितें करतात, आमी खोबरें तेल वापरतात. पोर्तुगालाक ते ऑलिव्ह ऑयल वापरतात.
इट इज गुड फॉर हेल्थ.
येस, सो वी यूज कोकोनट ऑयल, वी यूज लॉट ऑफ लिबरल क्वांटिटी ऑफ गार्लिक, and we use a layer of tomatoes, sardines, and most.
How do you select tomatoes? Because tomatoes come as that unripe, semi-ripe, ripe, and very ripe.
I'm coming to that, and the most important ingredient is pepper powder. The pepper powder.
मिरयाची पावडर.
Yes.
काळी मिरी.
काळी मिरी आसा ताची ही तिखसाण जी आसा ती मिरसांगे सारकी तिखसाण नासता. आणि ताका लागून आमी भरपूर मिरयां पिठो घालचो पडटा आणि इल्ले टोमॅटो केचप घालचे पडटा तातूंत. आता उदक चड घालपाचें ना, म्हणजे अजिबात उदक घालपाचें ना. टमाटांचें जे उदक येता सुट्टा तेच पुरो. ओके, टमाटा जी आसता ती सामकी पिकी आसूंक जाय, रेड इन कलर. दे शूड बी राईप, दे शूड नॉट बी रॉ ऑर सेमी राईप. They have to be ripe. So it is the sourness of the tomato.
So in English, could you explain stepwise, like that first I select a medium size of sardines, then second I clean them, then I don't know whether you remove the heads or keep the heads intact. Then third one, by step you go about it, that those who watch these videos, Goans as well as non-Goans, they would be able to understand how to prepare the Portuguese sardine in the way Goans have been preparing them for at least 400 to 500 years.
Yeah. So these sardines which are there, you have to clean them so thoroughly that that blackish whatever chicle, whatever you call it, the dirt which is there inside, that has to be removed completely, because otherwise the preparation gets a stink, I would say. And then you select also the tomatoes. The tomatoes have to be ripe, red in color. So you chop them and you keep them apart, set them apart. And once you heat the coconut oil, you use garlic, and then you keep a layer of these sardines. Over that you keep a layer of tomatoes, sprinkle pepper powder, and over that you spread tomato ketchup. Now in some cases there are families in Goa, they also use an onion or haldi in the that is turmeric in their preparation. Okay, so you then you pressure cook it on a very low flame, gentle flame. Okay, so that you hear one
pressure cook in which type of utensils or pot?
No, in a pressure cooker. So it becomes very soft.
So how many whistles?
Just one whistle, and that too on a gentle flame.
So slow cooking. So how that in the next video I will ask you few more questions about Portuguese sardine.